It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! Welcome to a new review, and today we're going to talk about the best of the 80s and 90s multi-game card for the Mega Drive and Genesis. This is the 196 in 1, and there's also a really awesome collection multi-game cards, and it is an invasion of multi-game cards these days for every retro system out there. And this one got a really nice build quality. It even got a warranty void sticker. Ooh, they're getting serious now. We cannot open it anymore, but it feels really solid. Yeah, it's not. Wait. No chemical plastic. So that is really awesome. I really hate when these things have chemical plastic because I'm getting freaking high making a review. And let's take it in our Mega Drive and let's see what happens. That is something I don't do very often, but this is what I really like to point out. My cartridge doesn't fit that well. Look, it's really hard to put it in. So if I do a little bit of a jiggly, or what do you call it, the wiggle, it a little bit, then it fits in my Mega Drive. So if we will look to the 112 one and a 126 one, that one fits in perfectly like an original game. This plastic shell feels a little bit solid, but it doesn't fit like that great. So let's power it on and see what happens. Yes people, we have powered on the system, the multi-game card works. And let's see what kind of games we're going to get. Aladdin 1, nice game, Afterburner, nice, Alternate Beast. Bare Knuckles 3, Biohazard, really love that game. Habibji, really cool. Castle of Illusion, oh that's a really nice one. Castlevania is also on this one. Comic Zone, Contra Hard Corps, one of my favorite games to play on the Mega Drive. Desert Strike, also really nice. E-SWAT is a really nice game. Love the arcade version of it. Fatal Fury. Golden Axe, and the list goes on. Even the Mega Man, Mega Bomberman, Outrun, Rambo 3, Revenge of the Shinobi, Road Rash 2, there's no Road Rash 1, and Sonic the Hedgehog 1 and 2, 3 is missing, but yeah, it's a little bit of a shame, but you cannot save, so maybe it's better for leave it off the card. Street Fighter 2 Turbo, really nice that they put this one on it. And Street of Rage 1 and 2. So a little bit weird. Street of Rage 3 is not on it, no, you have Bare Knuckle or so, that's a little bit weird.
Live
from your grave. Yeah, love this game. This, by the way, was the first game I ever played on the Mega Drive. And I got hit by a white wolf. Kick him in the ass. Hey, that's really awesome. I know this game from the NES. I never played one on the Mega Drive. No, I don't care. Okay, so this is what you're going to get with the best of 80s and 90s. So this cartridge, the 196 in 1, is a quite good cartridge collection in my opinion. I don't know if you can still find it because it's a very old one already and they keep releasing new editions, and they are dropping the old multi-game collection cards. Overall, I got a very good experience of it, and there were a lot of homebrew games because they love to add homebrew games and crap stuff to it. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribe, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked Brain Fat family, and we'll see you in the next video.